They've checked it's safe first, and then they'll make into the carcass. So you can see that she's flown over to a further away part of the field, and she's watching it, make sure it's safe, just in case it jumps up and tries to kill her. She wants to be very, very cautious around it. So it gives a good example of what vultures are really like. They're very cautious, they're very, very careful animals, and they don't just pile right in. There we go. She's starting to get a little bit more comfortable coming in on that there. Okay, girl.
She's like, Stuart, are you not going to give me back up?
So once she starts feeding off the carcass, she gains a lot more confidence. Sometimes she'll pull it and it'll move and she gives herself a fright. And it's a good example. These birds do not eat things that are alive. If this animal was half dead, she'll be nowhere near it. She's not even interested. She'll just fly off somewhere else. She only will circle above head of something that's dead. Another thing that's often kind of portrayed about vultures is they like rotten flesh. Yet again, absolute rubbish. They don't like rotten flesh. They like their food fresh, just like everyone else does. But when you maybe haven't eaten in 7 days, you might have to eat something that's been lying out a little bit longer than you would like. So they can eat things up to about 5-6 days old. After that, they're not too interested, too rancid for them. But they do prefer to get it fresh. It's out of desperation these birds might eat things that have been lying a little bit longer. So you can see her neck's kind of outstretched. It's a very kind of defensive situation. She's kind of hunched a little bit, checking it's safe. She's getting a little bit closer to the carcass. Once she starts feeding, Stuart will be able to back off from it and she'll be quite happy to eat. There we go. Is that in through the butt? So you can see why that big long neck is helpful. She can get into all the little bits and make sure she gets everything. It's not a glamorous job, but it's an important one. So there we go. So we're going to bring out the battler eagle now that we have the vulture feeding off the carcass. So when Zulu comes up, Zulu's going to react very, very differently to the carcass. Now you've seen how shy Gandalf was, how long it's taken her to come down and eventually feed off the carcass. The battler eagle, another African species found in the exact same areas that you might find these guys, she's going to be very different. She's a predator. She kills her prey. So she's a lot more bolshy, she's brave, she has very strong feet, and she's going to come into the carcass relatively quickly, and you'll notice her totally commanding. So she'll be on top of it, she'll puff up all of her feathers, she'll stand up to Gandalf, and Gandalf will be like, whoa, you're a bit scary first. She might start to defend the carcass herself, try and use a little bit of bravado to make sure that the eagle doesn't scare her off the carcass. There's a really good example of how these birds are not these big aggressive animals that we expect. They're actually quite shy in comparison, and a little bit more kind of nervous. So the eagle's just going to come along. She might fly right over the chicken. There she goes. Like, move! There you go. So you'll notice immediately the battler eagle's got her wings out. She's got her crown out. She's making herself big and scary. She's much smaller than the vulture, but yet she's much more defensive. She's like, I'm going to take a hold of this carcass and eat as much of it as possible. But Gandalf wants to make sure she gets something, so she doesn't want to get chased away. It's often portrayed that vultures will steal food of other animals. In fact, just recently, I was showing Stuart actually, National Geographic put out a video of what they said was a group of vultures stealing from a cheetah, which was not the case at all. Totally incorrect information all the way through it. What it looked like had happened is Pala had actually died because his belly was swollen, had clearly been dead for a long time, and the cheetah had probably come up and scared the vultures off. Vultures are very, very nervous. As soon as the cheetah came up, all the vultures back off. They're like, oh my god, don't eat us. The cheetah wasn't too interested in the food and eventually kind of walked away. But it was kind of portrayed that the vultures were going to take food off of other animals. And that's not the case at all. Vultures are going to be the ones that come in afterwards and make sure it's nice and safe. So not what we think. There we go. So we've got the two girls feeding off the carcass. You can see how puffed up Zulu is. Zulu's like, I'll kill you, Stuart. With the carcass. So he's trying to keep. Oh. Oh, they look pretty cute together. Gandalf trying to make herself as big as she can, but her foot up there. So, unfortunately, Gandalf's actually a critically endangered species. So, Jamie, I'm depending on you to not get me stabbed by the stork, right? Okay? Cool. Thank you. Right, so Gandalf is actually a critically endangered species. So this is a species that is very near to being extinct in the wild. And unfortunately, the reasons behind this are down to gives away to the poachers exactly where the poachers have been. Sorry, the anti-poaching police. She gives away to the anti-poaching police where the poachers have been. So what the poachers do is they lace a carcass with poison. So a carcass like this would be full of poison. The vultures would come down, feed. The battler eagle would come feed. The stork would come and feed, and they would all die because they cannot digest that food, that poison, and it makes their organs shut down. So those birds would then fly off and they would die somewhere else. And they would get eaten by other vultures, eagles, storks, whatever else is in the area, lion, hyena, caracal, whatever it is. And that would cause huge issues. They would die and then they would get they would die, and then therefore that would cause issues. Now the biggest issue we have with birds like vultures is that they are slow breeders. It takes a long time for them to become sexually mature, and they only have one egg at a time, and it takes a long time for them to rear their chick, and they put a lot of time and effort. They're fantastic parents. But when you put poison carcass down and kill 100 vultures, they all have a partner that now doesn't have a mate, and they have to find a new mate that has to be sexually mature to do so, and they also will lose their chick. So you can see how this would become a big problem very quickly, and hundreds of birds can be affected by one carcass. Now this does affect the battler eagle as well. The battler eagle is a vulnerable species, so one that in the wild is definitely declining too, so an issue for these species as well. But for the vultures, it's more of a big issue because their numbers have declined by 97% in a very short period of time. So it's not just poison that causes the issue. There is electrocution, wind turbine collision, and also traditional medicines, especially used in kind of witch doctor practice down in the south of Africa. These birds' body parts are used for all sorts of things. So this will all cause massive issues to the vulture population. And because these birds are not got the best reputation in the world because of movies and things like that, we tend to not pay attention to them. You're looking at a vulture here that's more endangered than like a tiger or a panda or anything like that. But we know about tigers and pandas, but we don't know about vultures. So that's Gandalf's job over the 13 years, is we get people to care about the plight of vultures and realise that without them we had big issues. Now I'll just kind of briefly talk about Stanley, who's walking about being pretty grumpy. This is our white stork, and these are our migratory birds. They come into Europe for the breeding season, but they migrate all the way over to Africa for the winter. And this means that there's plenty of food for them that they can get, and they'll be hanging around carcasses, eating lots of insects, pieces of food that'll go around. So he's just doing a good wee job of clearing up any little bits of food that might get thrown off that carcass while these guys get into the carcass themselves.
Okay, that's had enough food now.
Okay. She's stuffing herself. There we go. So all of the money that is raised from today will, as I said, be going to Vulpro. And Vulpro do a very good job of helping rehabilitate these birds that have been in collisions, have been suffering from poisoning from either farmers putting down poison to kill other animals and the vultures are fed off of it. Any birds that do get unfortunately involved in collisions with power lines or wind turbines, if they do have to have things like their wings amputated sometimes, yeah, she's got a big crop. They will be able to rehabilitate them if they can. If they have to have amputation, obviously they'll go into a breeding programme and they'll pass on their wild genetics, and then they'll aim on releasing the youngsters back into the wild again. So we're going to pop the girls away and Stanley away. They've done really well feeding off the carcass.